What would you do if someone accused you of something you didn't do? Not a hypothetical. Imagine getting a call from the police, or worse, a notice for arrest, when you have done absolutely nothing wrong. This is not just a legal problem, it's an emotional earthquake. Your job, your relationship, your mental peace, everything can come crashing down. False accusations are unfortunately not rare, but the real tragedy, most people don't know what to do next. So today, let's walk through a step-by-step guide on exactly how to protect yourself in India legally, smartly, and with dignity. Stick around till the end. One of the last steps could save your reputation, your freedom, or even your life. Prevention is power. We often think legal troubles start with an FIR, but the truth is it starts much earlier with interactions that go undocumented. If you are in a relationship, a business deal, or even an ongoing conflict, document everything: text, emails, voice notes, maintain a neutral tone, never threaten, and avoid arguments in writing. That one polite message could save you in court. In Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar in 2014, the Supreme Court recognized how laws like Section 498A IPC was being misused. The court emphasized that arrest shouldn't be automatic and insisted on evidence before action, reinforcing how vital documented communications is when falsely accused. So now you're facing an FIR. First reaction, panic. But don't. Step 1. Get a copy of the FIR. Use it to understand exactly what's being alleged. Step 2. File for anticipatory bail under Section 438 CRPC. This is your safety net to avoid arrest. In the Arnesh Kumar vs. State of Bihar 2014 case, the Supreme Court ruled that arrest shouldn't be automatic in cases like 498A IPC, cruelty by husband. This case led to strict guidelines for police officers to prevent misuse of the law. Know your rights. You are innocent until proved guilty. Repeat that to yourself. If the police show up, you don't have to go to the station without a notice under section 41A CRPC. They can't detain you just because there's an FIR. You have the right to remain silent, have a lawyer present, get a medical examination if detained. Inform your family. Here's a practical tip. Inform someone immediately when you're taken in, ideally your lawyer. If it's a Friday, act fast. Weekend custody is real. Please check out our detailed video on Arrested on Friday, your weekend rights. Link in the playlist below. Gather your arsenal. Now comes the proactive part. Build your case before someone else breaks it down. Collect call logs, CCTV footage, witnesses. Create a timeline of events. File a counter complaint if applicable, especially in cases like false molestation, dowry, or property disputes. In the case Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP in 2013, the court said police must conduct a preliminary inquiry before registering certain FIRs. Use this judgment to your advantage if the accusation seems fabricated. Courtroom strategy. Once the matter reaches court, be consistent and transparent. Hire a lawyer who listens, not just one who promises results. False cases often fall apart when your defense is calm, consistent, and well documented. Here's a tip: don't engage in a media war or social media arguments. Everything you say online can and will be used against you. Take inspiration from Nupur Talwar versus Rajesh Talwar's case, accused in their daughter's murder, vilified by media but later acquitted due to lack of credible evidence. Their silence in the storm helped their legal team focus on what truly mattered. False accusations test you beyond the courtroom. The emotional toll is real. Therapy, journaling, talking to a mentor, These are not signs of weakness. They are steps for resilience. Ask yourself, what systems failed you? How can you help someone else facing similar crisis? How can you rebuild your life stronger? If you made it this far, you now know more than 90% of people do about false accusations in India. Save this video, share it with someone who might need it, and comment below if you want us to cover specific laws like 498A, POSCO, or defamation in future videos. Also, don't forget to check out our full-length survival guide playlist here. The links are mentioned in the description below. And hey, if this video helped you feel a little more empowered, a little more in control, then hit the like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a lifeline when you need it most. Because justice isn't just about courts, it's about awareness, it's about action, and it starts with you. Take care. Bye.